All right, guys. So first off, what is the name of your business?
Of course, my business is Tristan's Amazing Diet.
Tristan, I mean, there's no limitations with individuals with special needs. They can do whatever they want to do. You just got to support them and help them through that process.
Yeah, looks good. Awesome, looks great.
I'm just being passionate. I'm this process, and because I think it's very important to show and to support family and just have and just be happy.
He eventually wants some of his peers with special needs to start helping him with his food business. With some of the proceeds, he's wanting to have big social events, for some of the special needs community.
To see me, as a business partner with my father, so I think it can be a great special for them.
It's going to be some amazing food, from hamburgers and hot dogs to beef tenderloin. I mean, and anything in between.
What do you like making?
Cheeseburgers, actually.
Cheeseburgers are your favorite?
Yeah, cheeseburgers.
He also makes brownie bites that everybody loves, and other desserts like banana cream pudding cups. And he's got his favorite is Sandy Beach pudding cup. So he come up with that recipe.
Yeah.
3, 2, 1. When you guys first came in here, what were you expecting?
We came and met Mario, and we come in several different times, and it's been a good experience all around with One Fat Frog. And Mario was great. We go back and forth, and he's a good guy. We went through what we wanted to do. We gave him our idea, and he walked us through suggestions, and I told him what we were looking at. And like I said before, it's the trailer come out just what we wanted.
I think it would be really cool to have such experience, and really grateful to have my dad just be with me and we can do this.
I'm very proud of Tristan. It means everything to me. It shows that he's been wanting this for over 6 years, and it's a slow process. We started the business, and we're finally here, and it's just a very proud moment for me and his mother and the rest of his family.